Hello, welcome to your first HTML course. What we will be doing today is learning the first few steps on HTML and what HTML is. Basically, what HTML stands for is Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard markup language for creating web pages and web applications. The first thing that we need to do is type in HTML, as you can see here, and as you can tell, it's written in between angle brackets. The reason why it's in between angle brackets is because it's a tag. So everything we do is by tags, and this counts as an opening tag, and this is an ending tag. As you can see, there's a slash just between HTML. We create some space in between. Basically, the opening tag for HTML is where your web page starts. This is where your web page ends, the closing tag. I'll show you this in our browser. So we save HTML documents with .html, otherwise you won't be able to see it on your browser. Yeah, I'll quickly show you this. Okay. Here we go. See, all we have is a blank page because we haven't done anything. This is just the name of my file. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is type in head and a closing tag for head. This indicates where your title will be, so I'll quickly show you that it doesn't do anything. See? Nothing happens to your web page. However, if we type in title and a closing tag as well and put in a title here, so just as an example, I'll write my first web page. I'll quickly save this. As you can see, my title is right here, and it says my first web page. And obviously we need something to fill this blank space up, and we'll write some text here. So for writing text, we need to type in body, and we need a closing tag as well. This is where your content goes. So in between, I'll write some text and I'll type in, let's say, sports, and I'll show you this quickly. And as you can see, it's really small, just at the top of the page. You can type in H1, which is the biggest size you can get in HTML headings, and obviously H stands for heading. And you need an opening tag and a closing tag. So I'll quickly show you how much bigger this gets. And as you can see, it's really big at the top of the page. Next, we need a paragraph. So you type in a P, which obviously stands for paragraph, and you can type in whatever you want. So my topic is about sports, so I can type in my favorite sport is basketball. And you need a closing tag as well. You need a closing tag for everything, as I mentioned before. And I'll show you this quickly. There we go, there's my little text. Next, we'll do another heading. So this can be written as H2, which is slightly smaller than H1. The smallest size you can get is H6, and the biggest is obviously H1. So for this, I'll type in why is sports helpful. Okay, I'll show you this. As you can see, this is my second heading, and it's slightly smaller than the sports heading. The next thing that we'll do is type in another paragraph, so another P with obviously a closing tag, and in between I'll write something about sports being helpful, and sports keeps you healthy and fit. It's great to exercise. Okay. And here you go, that's our text, and I made a tiny mistake here. I'll change that real quick. Okay. Here we go. Sports keeps you healthy and fit. It's great to exercise. Just something helpful. This is basically all you need to begin HTML. You need to always remember the tags, the closing tags. So HTML, head, the title, your body, everything goes in the body. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.